All right, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you another method, one of the methods for running Facebook adverts with your smartphone. We are going to be using an app called Facebook Ads Manager application. Okay, don't forget I'm showing you two separate methods for running adverts. Okay, now the next thing you want to do here is to choose the page you want to use for running your advert. You can see the list of your page below the screen, so you choose I want to use this. Okay, then the next thing you want to do now is to tap the plus icon. Okay, you tap the plus icon, and depending on your objective, you choose the objective for your advert. Now don't forget, before doing this you must have recharge your account. Okay, fund your account. All right, okay, you must have fund your account with the method I showed you earlier. So you have funds in your account. Now the next thing you want to do is to choose the objective you want to go for, and for this for instance, for this advert I'm going for website traffic. Okay, we have conversion. Can you see website conversion? All right, I'm going for conversion because I want people to buy my product, so I'm going for conversion. So when you choose conversion, then a new interface will open for you, and you simply customize your advert. Okay, now the next you are going to do here is to change the image you are seeing on your screen. Guys, this is the steps, it is the process to follow. We change the image, so you tap on image. The first thing you are going to see will be if the images on your page. These are some of the images on my page. If I want to use any of these images for the advert, I will simply choose. Now let us assume I don't have the images there, I have them on my device. I come over to camera roll. Okay, camera roll, then the images on my device will pop up. Okay, so I will simply choose one of the images. So for the purpose of this training, let me choose this as my image. Okay, so you can see this is my image. Then the next thing you want to do is to tap below your screen. You can see 4 icons, right? Then you tap the second one beside the image icon. Then this is where you put in your write up. Okay, now you have conversion events is website traffic, add new website, enter a website for your ad before you continue. So I'm going to put in a website, let's say www.abcd.com. Great, right? So the next thing, absolutely, that is not my website, but for this training let's use that. The next thing you want to do is to stories placement. You don't want stories, I don't want that. If you want it, you can leave it, but for me I don't want that. Now the next thing, the image is there, the headline, I want to use something else, so I'm going to edit the headline to what, let's say Facebook marketing course, right? Reloaded. Okay, that is it. Now the next thing is to edit your primary text. Okay, so you simply delete what you have there currently. Now you delete what you have there, select all and delete, and you paste what you want in the box. Okay, that is done. Okay, you must have copied it and just place it. Now you have placement. Can you see placement? So you tap the arrow in front of placement so that you can edit the placement. You can see automatic and manual. You see, this method is better than boosting your posts, okay? Because you have the privilege, you have to edit the ad setup to suit your taste. Okay, so you choose manual. All right, so you can, if you have an Instagram account, it will be there. If you don't have, it won't be there. Device type. If you want people on desktop not to see your advert, you uncheck that. Okay, then you tap on done. And the platforms, you edit one after the other. Uncheck stories, marketplace, and leave feeds only. Okay, so, and you tap the checkbox for Instagram. I don't want on Instagram. If you want, you can leave. Okay, if you have an Instagram account, you can leave. Then you tap the check box. All right, so this is another method for running adverts using your smartphone. For Messenger, you uncheck and you click the check box. Now that we are through with all of these, at the top of the screen you can see check. All right, which means we are through with our placement. All right, so Instagram account, if you have one there. If you don't have, okay, it won't be there. So call to action, what do you want them to see? Is it learn more, book now? I want them to see learn more, so I will choose learn more. Then you should have the preview here, so it's loading, as you can see. Okay, right, so this is the preview. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to tap on the third icon below your screen. You can see the progression. Beautiful. Now who should see your advert? So here we have your audience. Okay, this is where you set your audience. Who should see your advert? So we have edit audience. You can see here audience name. You can put a name, the location. So let's start with the location. Okay, let's start with the location first. So I want edit. You tap on edit. Okay, search location. You tap the search location bar and you type in Lagos, Nigeria. Oh, I want Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, you can't select locations that overlap. Okay, so which means you need Nigeria is out of the way. Okay, because you've chosen Lagos, so you want Warri, say space Warri, Nigeria. Okay, so you can see. Then you tap check. Exclude these locations. If there are locations you want to exclude from the advert, you choose them there. Then the age bracket you want, so you edit the age with this bar. Okay, please 32 to 58. The gender, all. Detail targeting, include people who match specific behavior. So you can see on your screen suggested, business, adverts, automation, thought, and so on. Okay, so imagine you have your preferred targets but are not here. Let's say for nurse, you want your advert to be shown to those who have interest in nursing. Okay, nurse practitioners, nurse education, American Nurse Association. You can see the list here, so you simply choose the one that applies to you. So let me go for nurse practitioners. Okay, and tap check. Now that you've done that, you can still go ahead to include more targeting. Okay, don't forget we've chosen nurse. So still at the top you can see add demographic, interest and behavior. So let's say you want doctors. Okay, doctor of medicine, you had that. So let's say you want to add let's say you want to add people interested in Linda EKG. Okay, can you see on your screen Linda EKG? You add that. Okay, so you can go on to add as much as possible. So on your screen you can see below detailed targeting we have nurse practitioners, doctor of medicine, Linda EKG. All right, so when you are done with that, you come back to the top of your screen. You can see the check mark beside edit audience. So you tap the check mark, update or save as new, save as new audience. Okay, so that in future be able to use them without going through the stress of choosing again. So I'm going to put tests and check. Right, so we are done with the audience. Now that we are through with audience setup, the next thing is to launch your advert. You choose the budgeting. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see the fourth icon. You tap the fourth icon. So here you can see the campaign budget. You have the daily, the lifetime. If you were to boost your posts, all these options are not available. Okay, that is why this is the more professional, profitable way for running your adverts. Okay, so you have the daily option, the lifetime option, and you choose the life. You can choose anyone, the daily, the lifetime. Okay, let's say for this purpose I'm choosing the lifetime option. I explained the meaning of the daily and the lifetime option in one of the videos, so just go through all the videos. I explain it in detail. Okay, so you choose your amount here. You edit the amount here. Okay, let's say 2,000 naira daily. That'll be for lifetime. Start. When do you want the advert to start? Your current daily budget is this, but you must spend at least this per day to run an ad. Please update your budget or schedule. So this is what Facebook is telling us. So let me just increase this. Increase the ad budget. Okay. Now, number of days. Do you know why Facebook raised alarm that I need to increase the amount? Is because of the number of days. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the number of days to 1 day, and you will see that I will be able to use my earlier amount, which is 2,000 naira. Okay, so you can see that everything is fine, right? So run ad continuously. If you want that, you tap it. Okay, you toggle it on, but I don't want that. Start now, start later. I don't want the advert to start now, I want it to start later. So when, can you see, I have the option, I have the privilege to choose the time I want this advert to start. So I want it to start, say, 6 a.m. when I will be awake, because when orders start coming in, I want to be available to attend to the orders. So start this day, okay? Yeah, and it's for how many days? It's for a day. You can see, remember I reduced the number of days earlier. So estimated daily reach aren't available. Don't mind, okay? So that is it about that. So the next thing you want to do is to tap the last or the fifth icon there, that is the checkbox. Tap that. Then your adverts would go for review, and it will be running. So here we are. So this is what you are seeing. The next thing is to tap on place order. Okay, you tap on place order and your advert will go for review, and after it has been approved, everyone will start seeing your advert. Okay, tap place order, but I won't be doing that because I don't intend running this as advert. Okay, so that is how to use your mobile phone to run profitable adverts for your business. Ensure you go over this video over again to understand and master what you have learned. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.